put a visor on?
Nope.
No? You just gotta leave those brackets there and call it good.
Yep.
Cool. So it's a Cascadia that we're working on. She has got this beautiful rainbow and all her stickers hanging out. And there's Perky. Hey, Chris. Yeah, Perky's drilling holes, making noise. So probably everything I filmed, we won't be able to hear nothing. That fender's not where it's supposed to be. That's not where it goes.
Yeah, it is. That's the new style.
You think so?
Yeah, man. They all gonna be wanting that.
This is the new trend, you guys. Just plop a fender right here. I'm fixing to put this toolbox on, is what we're gonna do. Alright, so here's our final toolbox. Perky had to make some modifications to the fairing so, you know, the box would fit and so it would open. Show us how it opens up there, Perky. Look at that, beautiful. So this driver's going to have all kinds of storage for all of her goodies, all of her equipment. Good job.